Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to convert low-quality photo to high-quality photo in Adobe Illustrator. I will show you simple steps to do it. Let's dive right in. First you have to do is to create a new project. Then select your preferred project resolution. Then click on Create. Then click on top left File button. Then click on Open to add your picture. As you can see pixels in the photo. We don't want that. You can zoom in the photo by clicking the Alt button and scrolling in and out with the mouse. Then click on top right section. Then select Essentials Classic from the options. Then click on bottom arrow button beside Image Trace. Then select Low Fidelity Photo. After this you can see high quality image. And that's how you convert low-quality photo to high-quality photo in Adobe Illustrator. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.